Day 3. Gotta do the outfit of the day. Jean shorts, this little cover up rose thing, angel necklace because it's kind of on brand for Italy, and some rings, shoes. And this is Spencer's outfit. Back at the fountain again. I am obsessed with this girl's entire outfit. Her shoes have charms on them. Someone please tell me where to get shoe charms because I'm obsessed, and her bag is so cute. We got our food. This time we got cappuccinos instead of espresso shots, and we got a giant croissant because last one was really little. We made it to our walking tour, or not our walking tour, our Colosseum in Roman Forum tour. This is our tour guide, just chilling by the Colosseum. We're gonna go tour the Roman Forum first and then the Colosseum.
Hold on, guys. This ritual submission is the only reason why this arch is still here. Okay? The need for the as the city grew larger, see, and in time new boundaries were set. So the columns were still standing then, but not because no one ever tried to tear them down, right? Someone did try. Look at those groups. The reason they obviously didn't succeed is that those are solid columns.
We made it inside the Colosseum.
That dates back to the actual early days. The Colosseum was inaugurated with 100 days of games. Okay, you understand what that is? It's a penis.
Oh.
You see that? That dates back to the very first games. Okay?
Oh wow.
Now that might seem to you pretty weird, okay? But they were supposed to bring luck to the family, fertility to the house, and ward off evil spirits. When the Colosseum was first excavated in the early 1800s, the archaeologists found plenty of this stuff. These are the bricks that must have fallen from the levels above. The archaeologists had to ask themselves an important question, which was, should we store it somewhere because it's ancient, right? We can't just throw it away because it's ancient. Okay? Someone had the intuition of using the materials found here to rebuild say the missing part. The new question was how to use this stuff so that the future visitor will be able to understand that despite being ancient, we reuse it as for restoration. They place the brick with the edge towards us. These bricks are triangular, see? And so are those. What you see is the flat side of it. The Avenger. This guy was nicknamed the Avenger, okay? And you can tell he died gloriously on the stage. How do we know? Brick wall, death. You see that letter next to his nickname? You can tell he died on the job. Plaster on the walls and on the ceiling. The walls will be painted red, the ceiling will be painted white. Okay, probably.
I'm so hot and sweaty. I think I'm sunburnt, but we just had lunch with someone that we met on the tour. Her name's also Olivia.
2,000 years later.
So it's been a minute since so it's been stop. Me and Spencer just decided to chill in the room for a long time because we were tired, and we also had to plan stuff for Naples, like book an Airbnb and look up Pompeii tickets. We got, I don't know which one is which. This is a potato soupli, one is pesto and one is regular, and here's Spencer's cool pizza he's gonna try.
Salami salad thing.
Okay, we're gonna do a soupli taste test. The potato one is basically just mashed potatoes, and I'm not mad about it. Day 4, I think. I got my bucket hat on today. I never wear bucket hats, so I can't decide if it's cute or not, or if I look like I'm like a little kid going on a safari. Anyways, outfit of the day. Got this shirt with the water lily painting, some biker shorts, and the same tennis shoes. I kind of like this outfit, it's cute. We're going on a walking tour this morning, and then we don't have anything else planned for today. Today feels humid. Ugh. Yeah, I think I like this outfit. Trying a pizza rossa for breakfast snacky. I got the pizza rosa to try in front of the freaking Trevi fountain. Alright, let's get this taste test. It's pizza sauce and cheese. How's it not gonna be good?
Name? Spencer. You're welcome.
Hi, good morning. What's your name, please? Thank you.
Got some grilled veggies. Try it, I'll get your reaction. Let me try it.
It's like fruity and chocolatey and sugary.
It kind of tastes like Nutella a little bit. Just had lunch with a girl that we met on our walking tour. Spencer's eating his chicken, that he has in a to-go box on the street. I think we're gonna go back to the room now and just chill because we're really hot. It's like almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit out, so I'm dying. We're gonna go back out tonight and probably go to a couple bars with the same girl.
Later.
I'm getting ready to go out. I could not decide on an outfit. I'm not having a good time. I didn't really pack well enough for this trip, but I'm wearing this lace top, my tennis skirt, and these shoes. I like this outfit. I can't decide if it's cute or not, but it's too late because the girl we met earlier is coming out with us and I'm already running late. Spencer's already down there with her and I gotta go. So this outfit's just gonna have to work. I'll show you guys a better view of it in a minute when I'm back out, when I'm outside. So this is the fit. I actually kind of like this outfit, but I don't know. My hair dried weird. The top is a little big. I don't know, guys. I'm just having an insecure moment. So hopefully this is relatable. Hopefully this outfit's okay. Really, nobody cares, honestly. Nobody cares except me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Got the drinks. More drinks. Drinks number 3. Did he make it strong?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't taste it. But you know it's strong.
Is there tequila in this?
There's everything in this. Ready? Set, go.
I don't know what this is.
Right.
Hang on. I really want to listen to music.
Same. I want to go to a club.
You guys ready?
Oh yes.
Can you get all those flowers? Hang on. Put this together.
What do you think it is? This is all that's left in my drink.
Lemon milk.
That was strong.
Strong as hell. Cheers.